Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install a magnetic solar rear view camera on your vehicle. First thing is, of course, we're cleaning the area where we're going to install the rear or front view camera onto a metal area of your car. Can be the car bonnet, or it can be the car hood, for example, or the side areas, because they are often made out of metal. And metal and a magnet are a good couple. So that means we get this into position, and then we are adjust the camera angle to the straight, of course. Of course, you should have a look that the wipers are not damage the antenna of your device. Then the second step is we are going to check the monitor, get the power switched on, and then we can see that the cameras are operating and get information to our main screen. Good job. Now we can install the main screen. The main screen can be attached to the front windshield, of course. You see, this is a section cap, and you can install it, then adjust it a little bit as you need it, and then, of course, you can get the flat screen to position, and then you are ready. The only thing is, of course, you have to look that the power supply is going to the secret lighter. Job's done, and then you can start and have a good camera view in the front side and at the rear side, as you can see, by using the eRapta 2 magnetic solar rear view camera system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Dun dun!